Alright, yes, this is the maiden ride. We're not gonna go hard, we're not gonna go far. It's kind of up and down the street. Vents are open. We've got the clear visor on. And it doesn't have pin lock. And it's a nice evening. It's probably about 7 degrees. See a little. So like I said, we're not gonna do nothing crazy. Just nice little ride. See, got the LEDs on there. It's been a minute. I've rode so long, I'm a little nervous. Alright, let's get it going. So throttle response is a little different. This is my first time riding at night with the LEDs on here. The LED headlight. So it's been a minute. So riding at night is probably the best thing. Hopefully the audio is pretty good. Uh-oh. It's been a minute. The throttle response is so much crazier. Gotta leave a little bit of crack in here without having a pin lock. And that's a closed off neighborhood. Yeah, I'm like a rookie. Back in first. Oh, dead end, okay. Yeah, I realized this was dead end on it. See? See, I ain't got my maneuvering no more. Hey, little kitty. Like the throttle response is pretty much instant now compared to the way it was. So not bad. Now that's new. I don't know, maybe it's because it's LED. That little light flickering, that's new. When it goes past neutral. We'll go down, turn around, and come back. I try to be careful at night over here because the roads are so trash. Dang it. careful of them, man. These cats can't drive. They all got trucks. That old school. That was the second one. I would have took it out yesterday, but I had lost so much coolant. She's running hot. She's running upper temps, and I was like, nah. Should I move the flames? Hey, yo. There's no better feeling than being on 2 wheels. Notice how his brake lights ain't come on? I try to come out and slow down a little bit. Now I'm taking these roads because I know them, I kind of know them. Once again, you see that little slick spots, stuff like that, man. I gotta get used to this new throttle response, man. Okay, this is like gravel and sand. No throttle, man. No throttle. Mainly because I ain't trying to die. I ain't trying to wipe out. I just got it back running. You know what I'm saying? Tagged up. She got plates now. Plates not on it. I'm gonna get I don't want the plates just hanging off the back, because I heard, people stealing and stuff like that. I didn't do the valve adjustment mainly because I don't have a valve cover gasket to replace this one. I thought it's out here like this. See how rough ass stopping? That's right there. That's what we do. Like, why is it below 1,000 RPM? So this is one thing you have to be concerned with. You get a carb bike. Good. That's the reason why when I'm going on these corners, it seems like it's just a pain in the butt. It's like it doesn't carry through, and I don't do too much braking because the idle at first is ridiculous, man. It's so steady. And you can't say it's the idle jets because I clean those. There's a goddamn dog right there in the fence next to me. He running up, but he's kind of big. He could have out that fence if he wanted to. My rear end feels so squirrely. It's just like it's... See what I'm saying? Like that. That's... Now it could be because, we just need to ride. See? It makes no sense. Do not ride with a rusty tank. That's what this comes from. Get that lean. You gotta see. No cap, this makes me want to buy another carb set and just kind of work on that one and see what's going on. Cause so that tool from Pit Posse, it's a good tool when you have the carbs off the bike. On the bike, it's not angled enough to get in there and adjust it while they're on the bike. So that poses a problem for tuning, because you got to get your pilot screw just right. And the one thing I can say is it is a bit more difficult to sense when the pilot screw is like bottoming out, like you guys, I showed you how it looked. This needs so much more work, man. The throttle response is crispier, but that idle is not the business. That's one thing you gotta get done. Like, you see that? Here we go. We're neutral. It's acting the fool, but it's not overheating, which is good. And we know the throttle's good, so we just gotta get the idle right, which means the carbs will need to come off again, just for me to get it accurate, you know. So this is Tuesday night. Hopefully between now and Friday we'll be able to put it back on and have the idle close to what it was before they got gunked up. The throttle response, I love it. So I'm trying to make sure I retain that when I put the throttle cables back in, and she should be good to go. Stay tuned for more.